Alright guys, you're looking at a 10 top, 10 bottom custom fitted teeth grill set. This is made with 925 sterling silver, real silver, and it has the diamond dust finish, as you can see there. Beautiful handmade grills, guys. Precise custom fit. You choose how many teeth you want. It's right on the website. Here's the back side. Alright. And this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. Alright, you also get a free mold kit. Quick and easy to order. Check out all our reviews. We got tons of 5-star reviews, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.